Okay, have a nice day to all of you guys. So we have manual transmission here. The model code is F5M41. We're going to dismantle this transmission, and we will replace the ball bearing and roller bearing of our input shaft, counter shaft, and our differential gear. So first thing to do, we have to remove all the bolts here for our shifting reel. The reverse switch, shifting mechanism of our manual transmission. Okay. Then the next is our cup, rear end cap of our manual transmission. Then there is snap ring here. We have to use the special tools. Okay. Then our reverse idler gear bolt, we will use 45 torch type. Okay. Then the mounting bolts of our manual transmission housing. Okay. Then we will use the snap ring so that we can remove this transmission housing. Okay. Okay guys, so we already removed the rear manual transmission housing. So we have spacer here in our differential gear of our bearing. Okay. So we will dismantle these mounting bolts so that we can remove this shifting reel of our manual transmission. Okay. Okay guys, so next to be removed our speedometer gear before we remove this differential gear assembly. Okay, this is the one. Okay, so these two mounting bolts will remove, and there's a torch here so that we can remove our input shaft and our counter shaft. Okay. Okay guys, so we'll remove this mounting bolts. We'll use this 12 mm box length. another bolt. You have to remove. Okay. Then next is the 2 pieces torch bolt here. You have to remove also. Okay guys, so we'll remove this torch type bolt, the mounting bracket of our input shop. We'll use this T40 mm. Okay, using this power handle also. If cannot be removed using the special torch, the torch type, we'll use this chisel to remove this bolt. Okay, so we'll punch here at the side of our torch bolt using this bolt pin hammer until we can loosen the bolt. Then rotate a little bit. After we loosen the torch bolt, the torch type, we'll use this multiplier so that we can take and remove this bolt. Okay. Okay, and we'll remove the bolt. Okay, then mounting of our input shop bearing. Then that's the time we can remove our input shop and counter shop together, this shipping rig. Okay. Okay, we'll use this screwdriver that we can pull up our okay. We remove. Ready? So we have to do inspection of each our shifting fork. This is for reverse, the first gear shifting fork, This is fifth. For the fifth gear, shipping fork. This is third and fourth shipping fork. We have to do inspection also. Still good. Okay. So we will clean the housing. Okay. We'll clean our manual transmission, counter shaft and input shaft together, the differential. Okay. Okay guys, so that's the way how to dismantle our manual transmission. So I hope you learned something how to dismantle the manual transmission F5M41. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel. God bless, and see you in next video tutorial.